Hello, my name is Julia, and I work as a certified medical and social interpreter. I'm also a mom of 2 kids, and I am volunteer at the church and volunteer in our little Russian community society here. I came to this office, NW Injury Rehab Center, because I got into a car accident. And my husband, he literally just brought me in his arms, into the clinic. I had a brain concussion and some problems with my back and a whiplash, and doctors were able to help me, and I recovered fast. I suffered for a couple years, I suffered with back pain because of previous car accidents, and I was not able to do activities that I would like to do. As many people, I've tried medical doctors and traditional medicine with all the medication that doctor prescribed, and it didn't help. Well, it helped a little, but I guess it didn't get into the root of the problem, so I still had my pain and I was suffering. Believe it or not, sharply 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, I started to feel better, and then a little better, and then even more better. And it turns out not only I was completely recovered, my state of health after treatment is here was better than it was even before the car accident. I like doctors here at the NW Injury Rehab Center. They are an expert at what they do, and they are very knowledgeable. You can ask them any question and they would be able to explain it to you. The rehab center is very knowledgeable overall. I mean, every staff, everyone who works in here, you can ask just any question and they can help you with. And I like the fact that you can get the help in here, like all the help that you need with all the questions that you have in one place. From your health to insurances to all the documents, and they can help you the whole way through. I would recommend this office 100% because it's the best office and the best experience you will ever have, and people will help you on your way to recovery from A to Z. They would be always with you. I would say do not wait, because wait can only make things worse. It's not gonna get better. Don't lie to yourself that it's gonna be better by itself. It's not gonna be better. If it was not better for you in a week, then it's not gonna be better. Just don't wait, get the help that you need, be better, and be happy.